Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be sharing a few more hadiths from the book Riyaz Salihin, the book of miscellany. So let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hadith number 145 says, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The religion of Islam is easy, and whoever makes the religion in rigor, it will overpower him. So follow a middle course in worship. If you can't do this, do something near to it, and give glad tidings and seek help of Allah at morning and at dusk and some part of the night." This hadith is from Bukhari. Next hadith is hadith number 147. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When one of you feels drowsy during prayer, let him lie down till drowsiness goes away from him, because when one of you perform prayers while feeling sleepy, he does not know whether he seeks forgiveness or abuses himself." This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. Next hadith is hadith number 148. Jabir bin Samura reported, "I used to perform prayer with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his salat was of moderate length, and his khutbah too was moderate length." So salat was also moderate length and khutbah too. This hadith is from Muslim. Next hadith is hadith number 153. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Should anyone fall asleep at night and fail to recite his portion of the Quran or part of it, if he recites it between Fajr and Zohar prayer, it will be recorded for him as though he had recited during the night." This hadith is from Muslim. So if somebody wakes up for tahajjud prayer and for some reason is not able to do that, then however much rakat you have allocated yourself, then do it between Fajr and Zohar, the time between that, and it will be counted, recorded as though he's recited during the night. Okay, the next hadith, which is the last one for today, is hadith number 154. Abdullah bin Amr bin al-As reported, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, "O Abdullah, do not be like so and so. He used to get up at night for optional prayer, meaning tahajjud prayer, but abandoned it later." This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. That's all for today. Fi aman Allah.